For you I stood in winter rain, let the cold run through my veins. Lonely nights, unanswered cries, no one ever asks me why. They talk of wrong and talk of right, but who stays through the night? If this love can't be undone, just say it plain, say we're done. Don't soften it with sympathy, don't be afraid of hurting me. I'll take my heart and lock it tight, give that truth to no one else. I'll try to let the past lie still, how your love once held me close, that sweetness on my skin. Memories I can't unfeel, let me learn to let you go. All the beauty we believe, though I once thought love would stay, I really thought it would. For you I faced the bitter wind, let it burn beneath my skin. They ask me who was wrong or right, but who will stay tonight? Who cares who stays when love just fades away?